How many of you knows what generates electricity in a car? I know plenty of drivers don't know this. Even plenty of car dealers don't know what generates electric in the car. Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you today. I know most of you will say it's the battery, right? But you're still a kilometer away from the iceberg. The alternator serves as a mini electric power, converting mechanical energy to electrical energy and distribute it to your car through the battery. A good alternator will make your car electric components work smoothly, while a bad alternator will stop so many electrical functions from working in your car, like the tapping glass, the horn, the gear selection, your radio system, and the headlights. And it's very important for a driver to go check in to a mechanic and have a voltage meter tested on his battery and the alternator to make sure it's working, not until it ends up